You swallowing them whole, ain't you? Huh? You swallowing them whole. You ain't thought, are you? Huh? Where's your lid? Look. Right there you is. See it there? There it is. Gotta get the lid off. We get some more. You're swallowing them whole, ain't you? Huh? Yay! Look here. Want a bite?
Look, Grandma's talking to you.
Look here.
No, go see Grandma. Go see Grandma. Let's go to Bye-Bye's. Go get food. None of them have lunch. Go get your food.
Whoops. I believe it did go down there, didn't it?
He's backing up.
It did go down there. It did go down there. It was reaching too far back. It's reaching.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's the fun of eating, putting the lid on. Ain't no more there. You have to let me get in the jar. Here, I gotta get in the jar. What's in there? I gotta get in here. What's in there? There you go.
Yay! Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Go get some more. Go get some more. Go get Grandma and get some more. Go Grandma and get some more. Go get some more from Grandma. Grandma got more. Looky. Look it. Grandma got more over there. Look.
Want a bite?
Go get a bite. Go get a bite. Go get a bite.
Want a bite? Huh? Yeah. You have to be still, or I can reach you. Good. Here, wait a minute. Wait.
Uh-oh.
What? You being silly. You being silly. Go get your bite. Where are you going? Eating around. Hey. Oh.
Want a bite?
Go get a bite. Go get the bite. Go get a bite. That's a light.
Kayla?
Light.
Kayla.
No, you can't touch that when it goes off. Grandma's talking to you. Grandma's talking to you. Look it. Grandma.